What up, YouTube? Hopefully, today you're having an excellent day, morning, or night, or whatever it is at your location. In this episode, I'm going to fix a Divi bug after the update. You might have noticed that you aren't able to use the Divi library anymore. It kind of gets stuck. Okay, we have our footer in the Divi library. However, if I'm clicking edit, it's just not loading. It's stuck. Okay, this is after I recently updated, so hopefully we will be able to fix it today. Okay. Now the first thing you can do is go to application. Okay. And try to clear the local storage. The thing is that the application, the Divi theme, it's somehow saving files on your computer, and after an update, these files might corrupt themselves, or I don't know. I'm not sure. As you can see, it's something messed up. So the first thing you can do is try to go to application tab. Well, you have to open the inspect element tool, okay, the console, or whatever how you call it, and then go to application. Just click F12 on your keyboard. Go to local storage. Right click and click clear. Okay, I'm not sure if this is going to work. Let's just refresh the page. Okay, still waiting. Okay, looks like it isn't. I'm going to open application again and clear storage. Looks like my storage is already cleared. Let's try to clear cache. I've got a plugin for clear. Go to Divi library. Edit global footer, and maybe, just maybe, this is going to work. So looks like it isn't working so far. If I'm trying to edit it on the back end, it says no page found. If you already have the plugin installed, it's called Classic Editor. Just try to activate it and try with it activated, and if it doesn't work, just try to deactivate it. Okay, right now I just activated it. Classic Editor plugin just gets rid of the Gutenberg plugin, a feature of WordPress 5. Looks like it isn't working. Okay, so what should we do in this case? If you remember, we have our backups in place, and after the last update, we also updated our theme. Let's just use our let's just restore the theme to a point in time when we think the theme worked perfectly. Okay, because a few days ago I just had a update and it just messed up everything. So it says the backup archive files have been successfully processed. Now press the restore again to proceed. Let's click the restore button. Okay. It says the operation has begun. Okay. Not sure what's going on. Is it stuck? Is it working? Okay. It says it's unzipping. Okay, I guess we'll have to wait for now. Looks like something happened. I'm not sure what. Will my Divi theme be activated? Oh yeah, yes it is. I'm just going to activate it again. Okay. Go to my website. Looks like Divi theme works. However, if you remembered, we made our Divi Divi child theme before we had the last backup, so we'll just try to restore from that point. I think it worked back then. If not, if it doesn't work, we'll have to we'll just have to says restore failed. Error message: existing unremoved folder from a previous restore exit. So we've got a bug again. So let's go to update draft plugin. Hopefully we'll have an option to delete our old files. So yes, we have your WordPress install has all directories from its state before you restore. Okay, let's just click the restore directory, all directories, the delete, sorry, not restore. And now let's go back again and just try our most recent restore point. Guys, this is why it's so crucial to make a full backup of your website after you make some updates to your website. Recently this was a bug I haven't noticed. Okay, so yeah, it's great that we have a full backup. I have just restored my looks like my child theme is gone as well. Not to worry, I'm going to build it again, right? Okay, looks like I just lost part of my work. What do you know? Okay, let's go to maybe I choose it. I have my child theme already installed. Let's check it. Yeah, I have it. No, I have. Okay, I'll just activate my child theme, and hopefully my footer, because we build a footer, it's going to be there. Okay, there we go. We have our footer. So don't get scared if after you are restoring something is just not right. Just make sure to check your child theme. It's activated if you worked on your child theme. Now let's go to Divi library. Okay, go to global footer. Okay. how to fix your Divi library bug after the last update. Don't forget to subscribe and also click the little bell icon and also like